What you do? Yeah, it's just a simple question. Nothing too hard. What you do?
Sell front.
You sell front? So much you sell front for?
I just
What's the starting price?
everybody have them different price. What type of work you do?
You don't have to worry about that. Just know me. Me
Exactly. They
stand,
have a different price. So
me
if
stand
you low
on.
budget worker will get a small income, your price of a different.
So yeah, tell me regardless of what the.
So my crutches don't have a steady price.
So yeah, tell me regardless of how much the person make, him still will get some.
Yeah.
So
So
you know, kind of yeah.
so you know, what's the difference with me?
Tell me no.
It's within your budget. You get me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Say if the man broke and he have money, he still making it fun.
That never work. You have to have a profession for me work with.
Oh, I mean, I know
You
about that. I
can't
know
be
about.
broke and have money. Where you get the money from if you're broke?
Well, that's
That
a
makes
question for
sense?
them. Yeah, it makes sense. You have a
To you?
point. Huh?
That makes sense to you?
Of course. But me is not a low budget person. So I don't know. You
What type
can't
of work you do?
too much information. My job is confidential. It's really confidential. And I just want to say it's actually confidential. It's really
I bet you what I will know what type of job you do by the evening finish. I bet you.
well, you can't guess what you want,
Bet
but
you.
hey, me can't tell you. You have your own mind, but me I tell you what's on my mind. And me I tell you the facts.
Can't talk what we want to hear.
Yeah, talk about the both. You want man eat the both. Me not eat both. Yeah, both eh?
You name it?
No, sir. Ah! Nanyam.
That sound like you long out your tongue. Ah!
You're freaky, you always like get into some freaky stuff. You can't just. Why you always into the freaky stuff? Why did you become a freak?
Why did you become a freak?
Ladies first. Me ask the question, man. Stop growing the thing, no dog.
Why did I become a freak? Because things was made to put in your mouth, otherwise from food. Why did you become a freak?
And I know I'm just always been, you know, I guess since I was younger, I'm just always
You
like
always
freaky stuff.
fantasize
Me not the both. Me don't need the both.
always fantasize about what a pussy tastes like. That's the problem.
No, sir. Me never eat the
You
both.
always
No one
fantasize
know.
about what it tastes like.
You say what? Say that again.
You always fantasize about what it tastes like.
Me not discriminating now, but me not see myself eating the buff. It's a different type of a cat or a fish. How you call it? Cause me watch your live earlier, you talk to the man, you talk about meow meow.
You're curious? You're curious as to what the pussy tastes like?
No. What kind of sound the pussy make?
Females, tell him what the pussy tastes like in the comment section, please. Because he's curious. But I feel like
It's a girl that's me boring. No, it's a girl, you just want me to do some stuff and me not gonna do. I mean stay boring then. Me just
first timer.
is that what? What you do it first time? Let me know no.
I go gently on first timer, so we just skin out the pussy wide, well fresh, you know. Cause so when me I bathe my pussy when it's ready to get eat. A problem, you know. Sometimes I rub it all the skin come off, you know, because me want the man eat a fresh front.
So the pussy fresh out of the oven.
Skin out that pussy there and it dry and you're ready for moist up with your tongue. You see, if you're as a newcomer, I know what I do with newcomer. I'm gonna put you under the sheet and cover up your face because newcomer don't like to make eye contact.
So the
Alright?
pussy-
So
so the
you
pussy
never
fresh?
make eye contact. So more you just stick out your tongue, so and just
So
move
the,
it around.
so the pussy fresh out of the oven?
Fresh out of the shower, well beard, all in the whole beard out. So you're not there's nothing where I distract you. Okay?
Oh, you look like family. You look
Yes, when
familiar.
I prep my pussy for tongue and a normal prep, you know, come here, prep it good enough. Wash out all in the hole, you know, because first of all if the cum they dead and me, I wash out every cum because I want come from this tongue.
Yeah, Jamaica.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, me?
Yeah, me I hear a man.
So we are in our background.
No, me, myself, and I.
Yeah, take lessons.
No, so me I take lessons for. You want some extra lesson? You know, me can always be a teacher, you know. Me always been kind of, weird in a way, you know. More dress up like that.
The name front. So you can't trick none of way over here. Because we know man when I'm crutches.
You know, me I'm not front.
You lick it.
Me not lick it. You might give me some chopsticks, but me nah, name it. Why you want me name the front so bad? Yeah, honey. You put honey a drip. If you put honey a drip like faucet, now just let me know now because
You give yourself already. You give the talk. I hear you talk.
nah, are you off it talk? You want somebody to lick your front? I'm gonna eat. Me I tell you something to eat and you keep bringing up this eat. Me only deserve food.
We can't make you eat if you not eat it.
You have to pay me for eat it.
Yeah, yo. Oh,
Yeah, you have to pay me for eat it. You have to pay me for eat it. Me not eat it for free. Gotta think this. You have to pay me.
How much you have? How much you have?
somebody have to pay that be some money will lead you astray.
It no matter. Me just have to pay me for eat. Me can't just do it. I'm saying, me not just tell you earlier.
Money will
Cleansing
lead
and
you
next to
astray.
godliness. You say what? Money is the root of all evil, don't?
So you tell me say you don't name the front, but if somebody give you money right now, you name it.
No.
No.
Me take the
Oh,
money.
to
but me
somebody
not name it.
answer.
Oh. Me take the money, but me not gonna name the front.
Yeah, because two vice me ear.
Hey, you watch Shatters, don't? Remember the man that say,
How quiet it is?
and me, myself, and I, yeah, keep asking me, yeah, detective?
I two vice me ear. More write it two on
My
the
advice a year. You keep a growing the thing. Something wrong with your brain? Me I tell you some my advice, yeah, keep little thing. Me not just tell you
I'm
what.
gonna get straight to the point. You're gonna name my crutches or what?
What you want me? Me tell you have to pay me first. I have to make a deposit too. What you look like? You see your brown? Your pussy
Me
brown?
not brown, is a black, somebody a light. Make me look so.
So I bleach out bleach?
No, it's the light. Make me look so. The light what me have right here, so. Make me look so. It's a black girl. So my crutch is black. I shrivel up.
So your clit big or small?
No, my crutches are innie.
So you're inside. So yeah. Well, before we proceed, you have to tell me.
For you know, on your first time, you can suck it out and make it be a OT.
What? I say you're freaky. So what you gonna do for me? Yeah, ask you that. What you gonna do for me? You want me name the buff and all that? What you gonna do for me?
I already gave the pussy that what me I do for you. What else what you want?
You have to make a deposit.
Also, yeah, sell your tongue.
No, but you not come for free.
You know, like man, I love like so. There and then this conversation ends.
You just want me name the
Some
buff.
like
So.
you love likes.
No man, me not depend on social media. Me not a social media person, you know. But you want me name the buff. Me can't name the buff. It's too hard.
Yeah, sell me a tongue. That not gonna work and so much man over you can give me them tongue free. Yeah, not easy. Hello.
How you doing?
Hello.
You doing all right?
Can I be your sugar baby?
You sure can, love.
I'm a naughty girl and I've been naughty all day. What do you
That's
do
all
for
right.
naughty girls?
What I do for a naughty girl, I lick you up and down from your butt to your front.
Okay.
I put my tongue deep in you.
You got a long tongue.
I got a long tongue, baby.
You know what I do with long tongues?
What you do with long tongues, baby?
I ride it so good.
You sure can. You can ride my face all you want. Where you at, in Jamaica?
Yeah, I'm in Jamaica. Where are you at?
For real? I'm in Louisiana.
Oh, I'm looking for a Louisiana man because I haven't sucked a Louisiana cock from the day I was born.
Is that right?
Yeah, so you try to get your cock sucked or what?
Yes. Can I put it deep down your throat
Yeah,
and make you gag on it?
you ever been to Jamaica?
No, I haven't. I haven't been to Jamaica. I sure would love to. If the women pretty like you are, Lord have mercy.
You should come and visit me. I get the best head in Jamaica. Best around
Could I?
town.
Yeah, but could you marry me? Could I marry you? You got a tattoo on your leg?
Yeah.
What that is?
Huh?
What that is on your leg? A tattoo?
Yeah, it's just some tattoos. But what you say about married?
I said I would marry you.
I'm not ready to settle down. I'm a bad girl. I do naughty things.
I don't blame you. I tell you what, we would have
When
fun.
you're married, can I have sex with other men and you have sex with other girls?
Yes, that would be lovely. Let's have fun.
Yeah.
That's what you call an open relationship.
Yeah, but at the end of the day, you're mine.
Correct? And at the end of the day, you're mine too.
You like get your balls licked?
I love my balls lick. You lick my asshole? What happened? I will lick your asshole. I guess you're not going that route, huh?